Black girl, don't lie to me. Tell me, where did you sleep last night? In the pond where the sun never shines. I was shivered all night through. My husband was a railroad man, killed a mile and a half from here. His head was found in a driver's.
Alright, narrow cheered, getting here early. The river, gonna do a little float here. I hit a couple gravel bars. So it's now starting to get light. So hopefully I find something. It's like a vacation day. Friday, out here on the river. I've only been out here for 20 minutes at best, and I think I got something killer. But I'm surprised because even though I was only here for a few minutes, it's getting discouraged already because I keep finding all these shells that makes it tough, and big old mussel shells, and I keep seeing, I don't know if they're footprints or animal prints or what, but anyways, I think I got a Dalton. It looks like the base. It sure looks like it. I'm sure hoping so. Where'd it go? There, that sure looks like a base of a Dalton hiding under there. I hope that baby's whole. Looks like a drill form. Or reworked anyway. Dear Lord, please be whole. Oh, it looks good there. Wow. Please, please keep going. Damn, it's broke. Son of a gun. Doggone it. Broken Dalton drill to start it. Well, you win some, you lose some. What a bummer. Alright, I'll keep looking. Got a little bit left of this bar and I'll get back in the kayak later. I just ain't finding very much. It's seems like every other rock is a false alarm. Anyways, when I was a kid, my dad said they used to find arrowheads and preforms and skip them across the river. This ain't no arrowhead. I'm gonna give it a shot and see how many skips I can get here. So let's see what happens. Can't see it, can you? Later. There's some digging here with Hill being 17-mile Letley site, and I got something down here. Oh, you open it? It's whole. I'm finding some Smith activity here, along with Letley stuff. Well, I'm hoping it's a Smith or an Letley. Wow. That's looking pretty good. And it's broke. Oh well, hell's bells. Later. Got something else here. Looks pretty big. Probably broken, but whoa. It's a Smith. Broken ear off it. Wow. Sweet. That is definitely a Smith. Maybe we'll find some more here. Sweet. Alright, later. Well, he'll be on. Actually, finally has something here. See what he's got. Oh, wow. Hold on. Let me get in on that. Hold on. Oh, wow. Oh. Cool.
Kind of like a drill, don't it?
Yeah. This one's already broke, but looks like it would have been pretty sweet. Damn. Wow. Alright, we'll find some more later. Got something down here. The blade. Sweet. Later. I'm back here. Side's looking real good. Got something else down here. Not sure if it's whole. Looking good. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, the tips broke on it. Sweet. Doggone. Sweet. I broke a little ear right there when I first hit it. Needs to work down Smith is what I think. Sweet. Alright, hopefully find some more. Later. Having a good day today. I just, after digging, decided to go for a creek walk, and I got a pretty nice little dandy down there.
I'll walk right. I didn't even walk by there.
There she is.
Sweet.
Oh, not bad. Good. Good day today. Sweet. Thanks for watching, everybody.